Carlo, ug Andre, alin na si sir.
Sorry, sir. I am Mr. Yang Yang. So you can call me Mr. Yang for short. And I am your MAPI teacher in this school year. So MAPI stands for... Ikaw. Sorry, sir. Wala ko kabalo, sir. Good. How about you? Master of... Ayaw na ipadayon kay sayop na ginadaan.
Sir, ako.
Okay, you. What is MAPI?
Music, art, physical education, and health.
Very good. What's your name?
My name is Erica, sir.
Okay, class. Bigyan ng 3 bagsak. Nganong naa mang hindi masubra? How to pass my subject? Well, you will be graded by these criteria. Speaking of performance, I want you to perform a dance number.
So, yung hindi mo step na. Sumpa ko na Jim, boy. Sa'yo na. Nani na Jim? Ana. Sakto na. So, Carlo, dari ka dapit. Then si Andre, dari sa likod. Dayon si Erika, kapag may Erika.
Okay, so let's start. Are you ready?